Space and Science News with James. It's 2030, and the International Space Station, our home away from home for over 2 decades, is making its final descent. As it streaks across the sky in a blaze of glory, you might think humanity's presence in low Earth orbit is coming to an end. But hold on tight, because the story is just beginning. Enter Vast Space, a company with a vision so ambitious it makes sci-fi writers look conservative. They're not just planning to replace the ISS, they're aiming to revolutionize our entire approach to living and working in space. Today, we'll be talking about Haven-2, the next-generation space station that could redefine our future among the stars, because why not dream big when it comes to space? But here's where things get really interesting. Haven-2 isn't just another tin can floating in space. It's a modular marvel, designed to grow and adapt over time. And get this, it's got features that would make even the most seasoned astronaut's jaw drop. We're talking about a window so large you could practically parkour in zero gravity while gazing at Earth. So, prepare for launch as we dive deep into the world of Haven-2. The question isn't just whether this private space station can fill the ISS's shoes, it's whether it can take humanity's space ambitions to new heights. As we gaze up at the night sky, a bright speck moves across the stars, the International Space Station, humanity's home in orbit for over 2 decades. But this beacon of scientific progress is nearing its final days. In 2030, the ISS will make its fiery descent back to Earth, marking the end of an incredible chapter in space exploration. With the clock ticking, the race is on to create the next generation of orbital outposts. Private companies are stepping up to the challenge, vying to build the world's first commercial space stations. Among these ambitious contenders is Vast Space, a US-based company with a bold vision for the future of human habitation beyond our planet. At the 75th International Astronautical Congress in Milan, Italy, Vast Space unveiled their answer to the looming void left by the ISS's retirement. Enter Haven-2, a cutting-edge private space station designed to carry the torch of orbital research and exploration into a new era. This ambitious project represents not just a replacement for the ISS, but a significant leap forward in our capabilities to live and work in space. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier in space exploration, questions abound. How will Haven-2 compare to the ISS? What new possibilities will it unlock for scientific research and commercial ventures in orbit? And perhaps most intriguingly, what does this shift towards private space stations mean for the future of international cooperation in space? Haven-2 isn't just another space station, it's the embodiment of Vast Space's ambitious vision to pioneer long-term living and thriving in space. Max Haut, the CEO of Vast Space, has set his sights on winning NASA's coveted commercial LEO destination contract, positioning Haven-2 as the true successor to the International Space Station. But Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will Haven-2. The journey begins with Haven-1, a precursor station set to launch in 2025. This initial outpost will serve as a proving ground for Vast Space's technologies and operations, paving the way for the more expansive Haven-2. What sets Haven-2 apart is its modular design, inspired by the ISS itself. This approach allows for gradual construction in low Earth orbit, with each new module expanding the station's capabilities. The first 16-foot-long unit is slated to become fully operational by 2028, ensuring a seamless transition as the ISS approaches retirement. But Vast Space isn't stopping there. Between 2030 and 2032, 3 additional modules will join the initial unit, each one not only increasing the station's volume but also enhancing its life support systems and research capabilities. This incremental growth strategy allows Haven-2 to adapt and evolve, meeting the changing needs of scientific research and space exploration. As we look to the future of human presence in low Earth orbit, Haven-2 stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of commercial space ventures. But what exactly will this next-generation space station offer to scientists, astronauts, and perhaps even space tourists? At the heart of Haven-2's mission is its commitment to advancing scientific research in the unique environment of microgravity. The station's lab module is set to become a state-of-the-art facility, supporting a wide range of experiments that could unlock new discoveries in fields like medicine, materials science, and biotechnology. Vast Space has designed Haven-2 to meet and exceed NASA's basic laboratory capabilities criteria, ensuring that it can seamlessly continue the groundbreaking work currently being conducted on the ISS. From studying the effects of long-term space exposure on the human body to developing new pharmaceuticals and materials, Haven-2 will be at the forefront of orbital research. But Haven-2 isn't just about replicating the ISS's capabilities, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space. The station will feature advanced in-space manufacturing facilities, opening up new possibilities for producing goods and materials that can only be created in the unique conditions of microgravity. One of the most exciting features of Haven-2 is its massive 41-foot wide cupola window. This unparalleled viewing port will not only provide breathtaking views of Earth and space but also serve as a platform for Earth observation studies and space photography. Imagine the incredible images and data that could be captured from this vantage point, furthering our understanding of our planet and the cosmos. As we explore the potential of Haven-2, it's clear that this isn't just a replacement for the ISS, it's a leap forward in our capabilities to live, work, and conduct research in space. But how will this commercial venture impact international cooperation in space exploration? While Haven-2 represents a shift towards commercialization in space, it's being designed with international collaboration firmly in mind. The success of the International Space Station has proven the immense value of global cooperation in space exploration, and Vast Space is keen to continue this legacy. Andrew Feustel, a 23-year NASA veteran astronaut and advisor to Vast Space, emphasizes that Haven-2 is being developed with compatibility as a key feature. This means that international partners will be able to integrate seamlessly into this next-generation platform, fostering a new era of global cooperation in space. The vision for Haven-2 extends beyond just scientific research. It's about creating opportunities for technological advancements that can benefit both new and current sovereign partners, as well as industries around the world. This approach could democratize access to space, allowing more countries and organizations to participate in orbital research and exploration. Imagine a future where scientists from dozens of nations work side by side in Haven-2's labs, or where space agencies from around the globe coordinate missions using the station as a staging point. This level of international collaboration could accelerate our progress in space exploration and drive innovations that improve life on Earth. As we look to the stars, Haven-2 stands as a symbol of what we can achieve when we combine commercial innovation with global cooperation. But what specific features will set this station apart from its predecessors and competitors? Haven-2 is not just a space station, it's a marvel of engineering designed to surpass all other proposed orbital facilities in terms of volume, functionality, and operational efficiency. Let's explore some of the cutting-edge features that will make Haven-2 the benchmark for next-generation space stations. One of the most striking aspects of Haven-2 is its array of windows. In addition to the massive cupola, each module will feature its own 3.6-foot wide viewing ports, bringing the total number to 16. These windows will not only provide stunning views but also serve critical functions for Earth observation and space monitoring. On the exterior, Haven-2 will boast impressive payload hosting capabilities. A robotic arm, similar to the Canadarm on the ISS, will assist with maintenance and the capture of visiting vehicles. The station will also feature both an external payload airlock and an extravehicular activity airlock, enabling spacewalks and the deployment of experiments outside the station. Inside, Haven-2's modular design allows for flexible configuration of research areas and living spaces. Advanced life support systems will create a comfortable and sustainable environment for long-duration stays, while state-of-the-art communication systems will keep the station connected with Earth. As we consider these impressive features, it's clear that Haven-2 is poised to redefine our capabilities in low Earth orbit. But with several companies vying for the chance to build the next great space station, what gives Vast Space the edge in this? As the 2030 deadline for the ISS retirement looms, the race to establish the next generation of space stations is heating up. Vast Space isn't alone in this endeavor. Companies like Blue Origin, Axiom Space, and Northrop Grumman are all developing their own concepts for commercial space stations. So what gives Haven-2 an edge in this cosmic competition? For starters, Vast Space's approach of launching Haven-1 as a precursor mission provides them with valuable real-world experience in operating a space station. This stepping-stone approach allows them to refine their technologies and procedures before scaling up to Haven-2. Another advantage lies in Haven-2's modular design. By launching and assembling the station in stages, Vast Space can adapt to changing requirements and incorporate new technologies as they become available. This flexibility could prove crucial in the rapidly evolving landscape of commercial space exploration. Vast Space is also leveraging partnerships with established players in the space industry. Their collaboration with SpaceX for launches demonstrates their ability to work with proven technology while focusing on their core expertise in space habitation. As the competition intensifies, the ultimate winner may be determined not just by technical capabilities, but by factors such as cost-effectiveness, adaptability, and appeal to both government and private sector clients. With its innovative design and forward-thinking approach, Haven-2 is certainly a strong contender in the race to become the next home for humanity in orbit. Haven-2 represents a bold leap into the future of space exploration, offering a glimpse of what's possible when innovation meets ambition. As we've explored today, this next-generation space station isn't just about replacing the ISS, it's about redefining our relationship with space itself. With its modular design and advanced capabilities, Haven-2 stands to become a cornerstone for scientific research, international collaboration, and even commercial ventures in low Earth orbit. The potential for groundbreaking discoveries in microgravity is immense, and Haven-2 is poised to facilitate research that could lead to advancements in medicine, materials science, and technology. Furthermore, its design encourages global partnerships, fostering cooperation among nations and organizations that could change the landscape of space exploration for years to come. As we look ahead to the launch of Haven-1 in 2025 and the subsequent deployment of Haven-2, one thing is clear: the future of human presence in space is bright. The journey is just beginning, and we are all part of this incredible adventure. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Haven-2 and its promise for humanity's future in space. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things related to space exploration and technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you exciting content. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share and click that notification bell so you never miss out. See you next week.